How to use Dynamics 365 for customer service. Greetings, customer service enthusiasts. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of exceptional customer service. In an era where customer satisfaction is paramount, Dynamics 365 provides the tools to elevate your customer service experience. Step 1. Navigate to Customer Service Hub and access your service dashboard. In delivering outstanding customer service is to navigate to the Customer Service Hub within Dynamics 365. This is your command center for managing cases, interactions, and customer insights. Your service dashboard provides a comprehensive overview, allowing you to stay on top of customer inquiries and support requests. Step 2. Dynamics 365 enables you to efficiently manage customer cases. From creation to resolution, track every interaction, assign cases to the right agents, and ensure timely responses. Efficient case management leads to faster issue resolution and, ultimately, happier customers. Step 3. Utilize Knowledge Base for informed responses. Enhance your customer service with the Dynamics 365 Knowledge Base. Access a wealth of articles, FAQs, and documentation to provide your support team with the information they need for informed and accurate responses. By leveraging the knowledge base, you empower your team to deliver high-quality support, reducing resolution times. Step 4. Dynamics 365 offers AI-powered insights to take your customer service to the next level. Leverage AI to predict customer needs, recommend solutions, and automate routine tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. By harnessing the power of AI, you enhance efficiency and provide a personalized customer experience. Step 5. Dynamics 365 enables omni-channel support, allowing you to engage with customers seamlessly across various channels, whether it's email, chat, phone, or social media. Meeting your customers where they are ensures a consistent and cohesive service experience. In conclusion, using Dynamics 365 for customer service is about navigating the Customer Service Hub, efficiently managing cases, utilizing the knowledge base, implementing AI-powered insights, and enabling omni-channel support. Implement these strategies in your Dynamics 365 Customer Service Hub and elevate your customer service game. Ready to transform your customer service with Dynamics 365? Connect with us at Synatech to unlock the full potential of your customer support. Contact us today, and let's deliver exceptional service together. Thank you for watching. We look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in our next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Dynamics 365 insights.